Hey friends, if you wish to fix volume activation error with the error code 0x8007232B, DNS name does not exist error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection speed. Go to fast.com and hit enter and check the connection speed here. And then the next solution is to run the network troubleshooter. How would you do that? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down in the right pane and then select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. The next solution is to change Google's DNS. How would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on the Wi-Fi network and then select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses. The first address is 8.8.8.8 and the alternative one is 8.8.4.4. And then click on OK and then click on OK once again. And the last solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.